everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. We are on our way to the Adam LZ open house. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate that. We're gonna be taking the R33 GTR today. So it's gonna be a fun time. Gonna be a bunch of YouTubers there. Cletus, Adam LZ. I'm pretty sure TJ Hunt's gonna be there. We're meeting up with my friend Kyle, Black Widow Supra. Gonna be a good time. Let's get some gas and let's roll out. We got the R35 up there, we have an R30, I'm in the R33, we got an old school Corolla, everyone's taking pictures. We're kind of causing a traffic jam, but that's alright. It is chaos out here at the LZ open house. They didn't even let us in yet, but there's literally cars for as far as the eye can see. We got a ton of cars being parked over here, just waiting to get in. This year's probably going to be insane. We have like, I don't know, like 10 FDs over here, all just chilling at once. I rolled in with an R35 and my buddy's R30. You guys remember that car. I'm gonna try to show you guys some of these cars before it gets too crowded and you won't be able to see anything. So we're gonna do a quick walkthrough. Oh, that's sick. These guys, the hell? What's going on? What's going on? Just checking out the cars before a bunch of people show up. All right, let's check out these things. So we have a massive turbo RB26 swap. This looks like a GTST. Got GTST, but it's definitely a GTST, but dang. This thing is clean as hell. I hope one day mine looks like this. And also an RB26 swap S15. Wow. This is probably one of my favorite cars here on the Graham lights. Let's do a walk around real quick. God, this thing is, I love the color on both of these cars. They're just sick. I guess you could call it chameleon color, but it's slowly starting to fill in. Some YouTubers are kind of everywhere. They got the music blasting, so we're not going to be able to do too much filming in this area, but more to come. This new Chaser he has is just sick. I do love the wheels on this. Chasers have always had a cool place in my heart. Wouldn't mind owning one day, but yeah, those are badass. They look awesome on here. Color is an interesting choice. Definitely looks cool. You can definitely do a lot more filming over in this direction because there's no crazy loud music. So let's go see Mr. Kyle's, aka Black Widow Supra. I haven't seen this car in person in quite a long time. And also there's other couple, there's some Skylines over here. All right, let's check them out. This piece of shit. But it's gonna be two-stepping later.
12 seconds later.
Wow, it's been a minute since I've seen this car. Some also cool Supras. We got some awesome Skylines over here. Got another GTST. All right, that looks pretty nice. Color is definitely interesting. And we got the R34 over here. This one was here last year. We'll check out this thing real quick. Oh, it's a high rev car. Gotta love that wing in the back though. This thing's sick. This thing is sick. It's gonna be crazy that this place is gonna get packed in probably like an hour, so we'll get as much in as we can. So half of the show is also at the BC Racing Coilover kind of headquarters over here, so that's pretty cool. So we got some more cars over here. Another R34 sedan, another Supra, some other Chasers, a lot of JDM-ness here today. Do a quick check out this R34. I thought it was a sedan, but it is not a sedan. So now the question is, on my GTR, do you guys like the standard GTR wing if I were to get a carbon fiber blade, or if I were to get this, which is more of the high-rise version? There are a few different versions of this. It's mainly called a BR wing, but I could also get that kind of style wing. Personally, I kind of like the blade one myself, but everyone wants me to get this one. So let me know in the comment section below which one you like on the R33 better, the standard low-rise or the high-rise BR style. People are just swarming the shop. This is pretty ridiculous. This is actually Tommy's R32, if you guys know this one. So got Tommy and TJ just chilling right there, but I think it's pretty cool. Really clean. I like all the black. Looks nice.
Oh, you better watch out. Oh, we got him. What the hell?
Do a burnout!
We're all set in the donuts, thank you. Maybe later? When we get an appetite, thank you, sir.
Alright, this is interesting. Wide body mud. Damn. Don't hit us! That guy's the champion right there. Damn. Literally probably my favorite daily driver at the moment. This is one sick RS3. One day, folks. One day. Now in the old school JDM section, look at the wrap on this thing. This thing is bad. You know I love 4 doors. I don't know if you guys can even see that. That paint, maybe. Is it coming out on camera? I don't know. It's super flaky. This thing looks nice. So we got the R34 over here, classically designed. It's got a pretty big wing chilling on the back. This car's been drawing a lot of attention. I keep running into these all over the place, but yeah, this one's really clean. If only I could park my car, which is getting a decent amount of attention over there. You know, everyone's kind of looking at it. But yeah. You know, we also got, I'll call this the wagon Skyline because basically, you know, it is a wagon Skyline. If you're into wagons, it's pretty sick. It's the spool bus. What's up?
See you guys walking around like, yeah,
get some of this witch's soup.
Thank you. Thank you. Ooh.
Tell me this isn't crunch berries?
It is.
Okay.
You don't like it?
I don't know. I didn't try it yet. I'm sure it's good. I mean, it looks like crunch berries on fire, but yeah. R.I.P. to all the people that are standing too close. It's good. All these people back here are about to get destroyed. It's 122 degrees. Oh my God.
I'm gonna hand my phone over to my buddy Chris. He's gonna film. We'll get you guys live. Oh shit.
Live.
There you go. That's fine. 140. We're getting there.
Kyle. So right now he's making, or telling everyone that their phone speakers are gonna blow if they sit too close. Oh my God. These guys are nuts. Press an F in the chat for that guy who's sitting right there. F in the chat. See, I'm gonna get the reaction of the people from this angle. At this point, it's just like follow the Tuesday.
Wanted to get the footage.
Smoking from that. Jesus. This place is a madhouse. Wow, and we've even got a mechanical bull here, people. Let's go check out the Monster Performance R34. Clickbait Patrol has finally arrived. This thing's just waiting for the wide body kit, I would assume, because that is some aggressive fitment. Got one big bang on that thing. We even got a dunk tank. Can you see over there? You can't see Adam in the tree right there. All right. See you, buddy. Catch you later. Bye, Kyle. But don't get run over here. So everybody, everything's kind of chilling out here at the MLZ open house. So I'm effectively gonna get out of here. So the only bad part about driving this car any sort of long distance is definitely the drone. It does kind of get to you after a while. This car isn't geared very well. Neither was the R32, so you're at quite a high RPM when you're cruising on the highway. And just listen. Yeah, it's a lot. All right, so we just stopped at gas again. We put 9.8 gallons in, so we'll call it 10 gallons. So I have no idea what kind of fuel mileage this car actually gets now. It was all highway driving, so it was 108 miles because we got gas here before. So that's 216 miles. Let's do the math here. So we got 216 miles divided by, for all intents and purposes, we'll say 10. So 21.6 miles to the gallon. So, I mean, that's not terrible. That was pretty much all highway driving. There's a little some, you know, whatever. So I probably could get 22, maybe 23 miles to the gallon. Not too bad, I guess. I don't know. What do you guys get if you own Skylines? Let me know in the comments below. It's been a long, it hasn't been that long of a drive, but it feels like it's been a long drive. This is definitely not a road trip car. Let's go back to the house. Well, we are back at the garage here, ladies and gentlemen, and that is going to effectively end today's video. If I get to 5,000 subscribers before 2020, which is in a couple weeks, I will do a video where I take the R33 GTR to CarMax and see what they offer me. So I think that'd be a cool video, so help me get to my 5,000 subscriber goal. If you are not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. As for today's video, I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at SkylineDude951. And as usual, guys, we will catch you all on the next video. Peace.